Hello YouTube, welcome in. We are continuing the Godot game because I've been working on it yesterday. Next week. What do you mean next week? What do you mean? I really do want to finish my stream stuff, my overlays and everything, so I need the game at least functional at some point. Another guy, oh yes. Yeah, and this weekend, obviously. Yes. Yes. Come on, Steam. You can do it. You can open. Weekends don't count, but it's still days off, you know? Still. That is loud in my ears. Probably loud because I watched Project Hail Mary yesterday, even though I had like 2% left in my book. I was like, I really want to watch it. Oh my god. And I did watch it, and oh my god. My new favorite movie. Holy crap. Really good. Really liked it. And realizing the spaceship I had in my mind while reading the book was really small. I don't know why. I'm like, that makes more sense. Yeah, I don't know why I had so much trouble imagining everything that was happening in that book. There's so many descriptions of things and like how the spaceship works and how... I don't want to talk about spoilers, but other things were looking like. It was kind of hard. I read the book before seeing the movie and was so by the movie. Was so what by the movie? What? They did cut a few things, which I understand why. There's some things they changed in the beginning that were a little weird. Disappointed. I was not disappointed. I liked it. I understand some of the artistic decisions they took to switch how certain things were going, because or else it would have made it more complicated to do. I really can't say much because it would spoil, but there is a moment of crisis where things don't really happen that way in the book. They kind of do, but kind of don't. But they brought the story to the same place anyway. There is one part that was cut. Again, it's hard to not talk about spoilers. I read the book before. I read it before, like literally finished my last chapter after the movie, which was pretty similar to what they did in the movie. Similar-ish. There were a few little details that were different. Amazing, and the movie was good. I liked both. I got very emotional in certain moments, even though I knew how things were gonna play out. I liked it. I like space. I like space stuff. It's just... I liked it. That's all I can say. Alright, Godot. Lunch! Yeah, again, it's really hard to talk about things in that movie without spoiling anything, because I got a few spoilers in there. There are other things they cut. Also, they don't really explain certain things in the movie. I have a feeling if I'd watched it before reading the book, I would have been confused? Maybe? Because they don't really explain everything. They show things, but it happens so quickly that if you didn't catch it, you'll be confused. Like, for example, do I have an example of that? Like, he writes a lot on the board. If you don't take the time to actually read what he wrote on the board and it happens so quickly on screen, like, you won't necessarily understand what's going on. Well, for the finer details, like the big story, sure, you'll be fine, but like why was he in space and not someone else? They don't really explain it well, I feel. Like, they don't talk about the whole gene thing that he has. Not that I realized anyway. I don't know. Cool, in case you've watched it too. I don't know. They didn't really talk about that. Otherwise, the rest was fairly similar. Like, I don't like how he starts kind of dejected in the beginning. He's not like that in the book in the beginning. He's like trying to figure out why he's there, and he's like super focused on figuring out why he's in space. But in the movie, he just goes on a full bender, and you're like, what? That's not the gene for the coma thing. They didn't really talk about that in the movie. Not that I saw it. They were like, oh, you're the one that has to go. And I was like, they didn't really explain it very well. Why? Why him? They were just like, oh, you're just a scientist who's really good in with this stuff. No, no, no. And it's like, no, it's not just that. Yeah, it was a lot more happy-go-lucky. I still liked it, but it's just a few nitpicks there that I was like, those are weird loopholes. I don't like that. Yeah, there's speedruns, but speedruns of like almost 3 hours? That movie is long. And honestly, it was a long movie, but I felt like they rushed the ending, which is odd for a movie that's so long. Yeah, they could have cut for a full 3 hours, to be honest. Yeah, I feel like the ending was like, okay, we do this and that, oh no, this happens, and oh, everything ends well. And it's like, what? Excuse me? That was quick. They do a lot of like skipping forward a bit, like they show things really quickly, which I get, because it would take forever to finish that movie if they didn't do that. One of the reasons I was disappointed by the movie, yeah, it's just little nitpicks like that that I was disappointed with, but I still like it. I still like it. Ryan Gosling's in it, so fine. Okay, I've been staring at the asset store for the past few minutes. Also, new theme, woohoo! I messed around with my colors a bit. I was just looking at the asset store. So they replaced the asset library by the asset store. So I was just like looking at what was going on with that. Anyway, balloon. So I have overhauled so many things. Why is this so big now? Excuse me, go down. Book has a lot more background on the characters and their motivations. Yes, it definitely does. And we get to know more about the other astronauts that were with him, which we don't very much. And we do a little bit, but not like a lot, so you don't really get attached to them. But you do have more time on paper. Obviously, the book has more time to flesh out characters, like Strat. Like, Strat didn't feel right in the movie. Like, she was more sentimental than I thought she'd be. I feel like in the book, she was a little more, chop, you know? There's a lot more background on their characters' motivations. Yep. But yeah, I know, it makes sense. Like, movies, unless you make a series, like, if you're making a movie, it's a little harder. You do have a certain amount of time, limited time. I'm sure they could have stretched it a little bit more, you know? Go a full 3 hours, 20 minutes more would have been great. Yeah. And, I really did like his little buddy. Can't really say too much about it, because I guess it's kind of a spoiler. I'll just call him his little buddy. I liked how he looked, though. I like that. I had trouble imagining him when I was reading the book. You're gonna want a second window that we can't see with controls, maybe ways to edit players' info. Oh no, there's nothing secret about it. It's your name, your color, and all that. Also, I elected to go with a JSON that I can easily manage instead of the save file system that I decided before. I will do that eventually, but I figured if something bugs, if something has to be changed, I'm just gonna put it straight up there directly and save from there. So it's pretty simple. It's just like the name, how many points. I had like fun things that might happen later. We'll see. Maybe I'll use these. Not sure. What sprites does the person have? Yeah, that's where I've gone so far. I'll probably add the save date just in case. There's only so much you can convey visually with Ryan Gosling stuck at the ship. Yeah, and I feel like he did a lot of things without saying what he thought sometimes. Like, they should have added a little bit of that. Like, thank you for the follow, will it come in? There were times where I can't remember exactly when, but like in the book you know what he's thinking, and you're like, oh, this thing happened, he's probably gonna say it, but he doesn't, and you're like, oh, okay, that doesn't explain much. Skill and distances involved left me confused. Yes, it looks so fast, but in the book it feels like it takes forever. Like, oh my god. I don't understand how fast he was able to go and how he expected to get back. Yes, he's going very fast. Like, maybe we see it on a screen or something in the movie, but as I said, they do a lot of show, don't tell. But there's a lot of show. There's too much show. So it's like, I don't know, you have to watch the movie like 10 times. Like, could have been more going on, but people didn't see it because they were looking at Ryan. No, but he did a good job, though. Like, I feel like he was a good Ryland Grace. But then again, I read the book when the movie was out, so I was easily capable of imagining Ryan Gosling in the character's place. There's that. I have inner monologue and narrators, and both gotta find a second to bounce off in film. What? A segment? Hi, Otafayolabo. Hello. Anyway. This is what's going on. The game still works. I didn't bust it, hopefully. Last time I tested it, it worked. Yeah. So you guys have the default balloons. That works. That definitely works. Good, good, good. I didn't do much with the colors. They're still the same. If I talk, I should have a different balloon. Because I'm in the save file. You guys aren't. I don't save yet, so yeah. I can't spam a second. No, you cannot. You cannot indeed. Ooh, pretty. Nice colors. So you guys don't have special balloons because... Not yet, anyway. Probably during the test phases, I'll give you guys some of the other balloons, which are not in the game yet. I have added collision at the bottom. My collisions and movement is wrong. I have to fix that. Like, there's a collision box at the bottom, which shouldn't make the balloon turn around. But I know I haven't fixed my directions, that's why. It still has like the X direction flip. I like that sound. Oh, I like that I didn't do the collision. Nice. I was gonna say, like, where did my balloon go? It's awfully far and gone. But yes, that's my balloon. Mine. So far that's what we have. I can fetch the balloon from the save file, which is good. Now I have to learn how to save, which you guys are gonna be useful for. Well, maybe not now, because I have to do the full save thing, you know? Not a core coding thing. Well, I had to figure it out. I had to figure out, like, how I'd save it. So, like, I had to have a chosen one, and then what ones do I have? It's fairly simple, really. And then I go theme my balloons. I created a whole bunch of other functions. So the themes and all that. Position's gonna have... No, not position. Physics is gonna have to change. This is all kind of wrong. I'll have to fix it. Because right now I only work on my X direction. Which you should be doing Y also. Eventually I'll do that. And then I can change my chosen one, so that's when you guys write in chat. We'll be able to do this. I've played around with like command stuff. So far, commands don't really do much. It just print. That's all it does. This one, I might only do it in StreamerBot. I don't know how I'll do that though. I'll have to have StreamerBot reading the JSON also. Because I realized something with the plugin is that it's only one way. It only gives to Godot, doesn't give back to StreamerBot, so I can't be like, hey StreamerBot, I need you to send a chat message to show what balloons people have. I don't feel like coding stuff in the plugin because I don't understand it. I could do it myself. I could technically go in this one and like do something with this probably. But I don't want to play with that for now. Waiting on my trebuchet. Well, that's a next phase. That's not yet. We're just gonna have balloons floating around for now. Collecting points, probably.
The year is 1991.
Can and should are not the same thing. Yeah. They are indeed different. But yeah, this was my issue yesterday. I was like, huh. I can't communicate to StreamerBot to send a chat message. Shit. That messes things up. So what I might do is just like make an action that fetches the JSON. I'll have to figure out how to do that. It's probably doable. I'm assuming StreamerBot has like something to fetch stuff from a JSON. So then it'll fetch this and return this to the viewer. So you can be like, ah yes, what balloons do I own? What balloons can I change it to? And then you can do like switch and chat with this one. It'll be switch and then the name of the balloon. And then it'll do the thing. With your username, which now I'm realizing I'm gonna have to... I'm gonna have to associate. Anyway, I won't think about that just yet. Switching is gonna be for later. Right now, I need to work on the save system. Balloons, then switch Halloween. Yeah, kind of like that, basically. And I thought about it yesterday. There's gonna be like a store, maybe. So what I could do is like exclamation point store, and then like on the screen I could have like another overlay appear. Well, it's gonna be in the game basically, and like I could show you like the balloons on sale kind of thing, and you're gonna be accumulating points here, which is gonna be your money to buy new balloons. Certain balloons are gonna be exclusive, so not buyable, but yeah, and monthly balloons and all that. So yeah. And this stuff is gonna be for mostly the high score stuff at the end. Like if your first win, you get it another number at the end of stream, and then it saves, and then later on you're like, ooh, I've had 3 first wins. Whoa. I don't know what I'll do with that. I might do something visual with the balloons. No idea. Yeah, so that was my train of thought. Save, let's see. Now I have to figure out game data. My game data. Okay, what I should do is when one of you writes, I check if you're in the save data. I already do that, don't I? Pretty sure I do that already. Yes, no, maybe. Hold on. Where do I do that? I guess I don't. Okay. Or maybe it's in the save data. Oh, it might be in the save data. Load save, that's fine. No, it's not. I should make a poop balloon? Well, that's doable. Yeah, it's just 1 hour today, sadly. Your wings will fly. Or maybe the balloon, wait. Display sprites, okay, obviously. Yeah, this is what I wanted to do with the chat thing. It doesn't work. I'll keep it there for now. Do I not? I don't. Oh, I don't check. Where should I put it? Because the game data is here, and the game data is everywhere since it's global. I have it in main, right? Do I use it? I guess I don't. But yeah, just 1 hour. I have to think. Brain, come on. Like, what would be the best course of action to add someone to the save data? Because I do have to, like, since I'm not using the Godot save system, I can't just push the object in like I did before. I have to like write everything out. Ugh, that sucks. So I guess I put that in the balloon. I'd have to serialize it in a function, maybe. Maybe save balloon will return JSON, well, dictionary. And then save. I guess I could do that. What's up? Hello, killing it. Jess, hello. How's it going? How's it going? So, oh yeah, I still have my static function. Does it still have to be static? Oh no, yeah, oh, it's my balloon. Wait, I got confused with my save. My save was a class, but it no longer is because I switched. I think what I'm gonna do... Yeah, I think for the save I'm gonna make a function in the balloon that returns the data that I need to save. What if it's a new save? Hold on. I'm thinking. Is this Python? No, it is Godot. It does very much look like Python. It is based off it, I believe. What I think, because you've got a new player and you've got an old player. How would that work? I guess I would make a new save and update save kind of function, because they're not the same. Why is neighbor so noisy? But yeah, it's Godot Engine. Are you also a game dev? Or just a developer with coding and stuff? Okay, where am I gonna put this? I'm gonna put this at the end. I'll call it Funk. What am I gonna call it? Save new balloon. It returns a dictionary. Oops, not a doctionary, dictionary. Should I should probably put it up here and then use it instead of like rewriting it, just write it here directly. And call it like user save or what could I name it? Because I already have saved data and stuff. We're coding, guys! We're coding, we're actually coding and not chit-chatting. Okay, I'll call it var save user. Save user. And then I will do this, and then keyboard. Okay. Okay. And there I will put username. Oh, I should make it like exactly the same. Or not. Oh, it might have to be different because I use the username as a key. It's like, don't know the username. Yeah. Yeah, it's global. It is global in here. It is game data, but this is gonna be a different dictionary. This is gonna be associated to the balloon specifically. And when I call the save, let's say in main, after somebody just wrote, I will call that function in the balloon, and the balloon will send the dictionary, which I'll send to the save. Basically, I'm thinking about it. Because since the balloon has all the information I need, instead of rewriting everything and trying to get fetching everything from every single variable, except the stuff that's related to the balloon itself. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'd have to make a different dictionary down there, I think. Because I can't define it there. No, then again, it doesn't matter. Wait. If I still have to rewrite it, doesn't matter. Ah, poo. Okay, save user is gonna be down there. It's gonna be a dictionary. Or should I? Should I return it directly? Since I'm probably not gonna be doing any. I'll just return it. Can I? Or can I not? Oh, because dummy. Of course not. You have not defined it, dummy. I cannot. I was trying to skip it. There we go. That's better. Okay. Thank you for the follow. Come in, follow us on Anonymous. Good morning. I read and write a JSON file, load it into a placeholder database, and then just write that database over when done. Yeah. Except mine has to be done every single time someone new writes or someone updates their balloon, so it has to trigger the save. And I need to push that data. And I don't want to mess it all up. So then again, this So like basically what I'm doing right now is pushing part of the data that I need to then push that in the game data and then push the save to save. If that makes sense. So basically, if I were to modify my thing, it would just modify my part and then I push that. No, no AI, get out of here with your AI. Do you not see my tags? No AI. No. We are very much anti-AI here. I'm trying to learn it. I will not learn it if I use AI. I'm much against it right now. Okay. Hold on. Can I use a variable as a key? Seems to not go crazy so far. Savannah. Oh no, wait. Oh my god, no. Hold on. Yes, that is right. brain farted for a second there. Ah, not twice. It works. Interesting. Okay, that's good. So then AI makes slop. Yeah, and I'm trying to learn. So if I use AI, if I don't understand what it's pushing out, how am I supposed to, you know, debug it? So I have to do the thing before. Yeah, it's crap. I know. You know what? I'm about to ban the word AI. But the problem if I do that, I'm scared that it'll take like the A and the I, and like every time it sees an A and an I, blocks everything. It's like, no. Or like maybe like every time somebody mentions a word I don't like, something on screen happens, just like balloon explodes. Like, I don't know. Okay, anyway, username. What's it look like? I'm just gonna post this directly. I'll deal with points later. For now, I just want to save balloons. Savannah. Do I have chosen in this one? Oh, it's user sprites. Oh, so I just have to put user sprites directly here. I tried AI to build a very hard project for more than 6 months. He can't make correct. You mean the AI? Is that what you mean? Because AI is not that great. AI gives you what it thinks you want. Kind of, it's bad. It's, ugh, I hate it. Plus, all the other stuff, you're giving money to billionaires, which I'd rather not. And environment stuff. Yeah, and it's everywhere and it's annoying. Okay, so I don't really need to deal with these ones. This doesn't really matter. I just need user sprites so far. Okay, so this should give me the save. That's it. That's all it does. Just making sure I didn't make anything bug. It shouldn't because I'm not calling the function. Blockchain Bitcoin. That sounds... Wait, was that a game? Ooh! Is there a new update? You mean for the game? Yes. I'm working on the save system. I switched to JSON, but like a JSON that I can modify myself instead of having it in the user files. I want to be able to modify easily. Well, it works. It's not bugging. Alright. So I didn't bug anything. So basically on Twitch chat, when I add balloon... Okay, the add balloon is basically just for the visual part of it mostly. I think. Wait. I think add balloon is just for... Oh no, it's in the main. I think it's just for visual. Mostly. No, it does create it, yeah. Where should I put the save? Has payload, no. That's for the visible ones. I'm gonna have to check the save. Load sprites. Oh god, my brain. Okay, I have a check user. When do I check user? Down there, probably? No? When do I check user? God damn it. I don't know my own code anymore. Never? Oh no, I do. I do check. In load sprites. Oh. No bug. No bug. Nope. Oh, Bitcoin. So what the final game look like? Racing balloon game? It's gonna be kind of a... Well, it's more of a like... How can I say the word? Idle balloon game for stream. It's gonna be at the bottom of my screen on OBS. I currently have my like my old overlay for now until I finish this. There's gonna be a whole overlay with all of that connected to OBS. But then for like my BRB and like certain scenes, I'll have like a little fighting systems, and you guys are gonna be accumulating points. There's gonna be a store to buy balloons. Hold on, I was gonna open this. I don't know what it's gonna open to. I'd rather not open it in the wrong thing. I will show you what other assets are coming in. I only have 2 in right now for the balloons. Oh god, they are tiny. They are tiny! Hold on, let me get the one from my iCloud. Yeah, the shape keeps changing. It kinda does. So, this is what the well, not final, because my clouds aren't finishing this, but I know ish looks gonna look like. I have like the frame and everything. Ooh, we probably shouldn't leave that in the sun. Let's see, I can show you directly on screen. Just chatting. So I've been working on this on Procreate, so I have a frame for like my camera and everything. I'm currently working on that. Come on, camera, focus. Hello? Why does it not focus? It doesn't want to. So yeah, I've been working on that. Looking great, thank you. But yeah, it started someplace and it's going elsewhere, basically. As we go, things are changing. Eventually, I will be animating like a few of them, like maybe this one. Only thing is, I'm gonna have to deal with the orientation of the animation, because if it flaps a certain way, it's gonna have to switch when it goes the other way. Ah, ouch, sorry. Great artist, don't tell the code what the be the move fluid. What? What are you saying? Oh, shrubbery, yes. Yes, I have a few shrubberies down there. They're trees, technically, but yeah. There's shrubbery down there, a little bit. Yeah, and I darkened them because the sky is kind of like a sunset kind of vibe, so I darkened my little tree. Hope it's successful. Thank you, successful. Words, you know me. Words, hard. But anyway, this is just to learn how to make games, basically. That's what my challenge is. Making my own assets. Tomorrow we're doing some Blender. Still the same old project, unless I decide to do something else. Possibly. Although I could start working on my anomaly game. But then again, I have not planned out the 2D version of it first. I can't. Sunset or sunrise or both. Who knows? Good day, Gold Smile. Good day. How's it going? Alright. Brain must brain. Should I have it in the save data or should I have it in the main? So if... Wait, hold on. So... You guys write... I then add a balloon. The save should be done somewhere here, probably. I'm gonna make a function that encompasses everything, obviously. You're feeling very typey today? Alright. It seems there should be a world that dawn. Oh yeah, dawn, it makes sense. True, it should be morning. True. True. That is quite right. Okie dokie. Alright, I gotta think. I was on a roll yesterday, now it's like my brain can't think of optimizing stuff. On Twitch message, it's gonna have to be both in YouTube and Twitch, so when I add my balloon, probably, then I'm gonna have to check. Wait. Wait. Save sprites. What the hell is save sprites? Hold on. When do I... Add balloon, payload, user color, load sprites, payload. I don't even know my own code. Great. Load sprites. Then load sprites checks for the. I'm gonna have to do it differently, I think. Where I can find source code live gaming for? I don't know. Like, no idea. Live gaming? TikTok? I don't know. Dust to dawn! Let's go! Okay. Okay, think. The best way to do the methods and everything. Because I don't just need it for Twitch, I need it for YouTube also. It needs to be... Again, it happens at all in the add balloon. User color. The user color is dependent on the platform, so that's fine that it stays in there. Ugh. My brain, come on, you can do it! Think! Check user, then we add balloon. I'm hot. Yeah, it's 26, that's why I'm hot. As long as this one's not. It's fine. Still fine. Camera must not overheat. Okay, so I add balloon. So that's related to visible users, which is not related to the save. But I could check if user let's save data and then save, because I could do it this way. Although if you're already visible, I should probably not trigger the save, because it's pointless. True. How's the hacking going? It's going. Hacking. Yeah, sure. As projects get bigger and bigger, it is easy to get lost in code. Yes! That's why I'm trying to make it as clean as possible, so later I'm like, okay, this function calls this and that. So it's gonna be if check user. Where's my username? It's just payload. Okay, it's the same. Okay, so if... No, actually it's the inverse. If you're not in the save file. Yeah, this is just adding. I was like, would I need to check someone that exists already? But no, because we're just adding the balloon. We're not modifying the balloon. Yeah, I'm slowly but surely adding notes slowly. Also, I wrote it wrong. Look at that. Okay, so I'm checking if a person is not... I should probably put that in the save data code, right? Anyway, optimization, we'll do that later. I check user, if the person's not in there, then I add it. Oh no, I haven't had to add to the dictionary yet. So I'm gonna need to get game data and push that in and then save it. Which, I have not tried this function yet, so we'll see if it bugs. So, game data. Wait, game data is a dictionary, right? Yes, okay. What can I do with this? Or maybe, oh no, I could make a function instead of calling it directly. Add data, which will return a Should I return anything? I'll make it return something just in case. Or not? Wait. Thinking. No, I'll just make it void for now. If chat can't read this, I'm a hacker. Bro, slacker? Slacker or hacker? It's all about the Pentium. Oh god, Pentiums. That's old. Equal part comment to code. I'm probably gonna do like, I'm gonna have to check, like there's probably blocks I can make to explain the whole function. I'm probably gonna add those also. Pretty good at that. I can become pro! Yay! Yay! I will need the data. The data that I fish. We're gonna have a dictionary. A dictionary. And we're gonna go game data. Gamma! Game data! Okay. What can I do with that? Get find key. Can I add? How do they work? Changes from code to code, so I don't know how it works for this one. Okay. Excuse me. I need, as you can see, I was looking to figure out how to send stuff to StreamerBot. Didn't quite work. Couldn't find it. Add to dictionary, not Python. Godot. Godot. Dictionary. Probably real something. I will never order a Steam machine because I have a very good PC. Without control, yeah, it's expensive because of AI. Blame AI. Weird Al song. It's fun. What? Oh, okay, that one. What do you want to be hackers? I don't know that one. Do I know that one? Maybe I do. I can't recall that one. And no, I have not pre-ordered GT6. I'm gonna wait probably 5 years until I play the game. Until it's like on sale or something. Steam machine, no Steam OS maybe. Ooh. No, I'm pretty sure it comes with it. Still. Okay. Can I just get what I need? I don't want to look through the doc. That's what I want. Thank you. Oh. I see. That's it. Yeah, reasonable. Okay. Okay. So I will need from the data. I will need. Wait, how can I fish that? I'm just gotta send it. Key. Just key. Which will be a string. String. I'll just send it directly. Key. Key. And then what was it? Wait. I'm already confused. It's equal to probably. I'm assuming. Yes. Okay. I doubted myself for a second. Oh wait, no. Hold on. Can't just be the full data. So that means I have to separate them. Yeah, so I have to send this as the data and this as the key. Okay. Cool. And then that is gonna have to be saved. Save. I could probably return to see if it worked or not. Yeah, I'll be an old grandma when I play GTA 6. There's too many games to play. Why are you facing the microphone? Look the other way. This way. You guys can't even see him. Yeah, it's supposed to be released for free. Steam OS. Steam said, yeah, if you're building your own, you can have the Steam OS free. Well, they did what they could. I know they wanted the price to be lower, but with the current state, not gonna happen. Alright, this should be pretty much it. Data. And then, how do I do it? How do I call these again? Save that. I think. Yep. Save data. Add data. Add username. Let's see if we bust the game. And then I need the function from this. Oh, wait, that returns that. So what if he owns a yacht? That doesn't make him evil because he owns a yacht. What? I'm just gonna remove that. Oh, because I didn't finish the other one. Not that. This. A balloon. Balloon. Dot. What did I call it? I forget so quickly. Save new balloon. That's a weird function name now I think about it. Doesn't really work. Ballon. Yeah, of course ballon's not identified. Ballon. 5-minute warning, how dare! 4 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, it's built off Linux. Yeah, the Steam stuff. Alright, everything should be good. Things might explode. Who knows? Time to write. Any one of y'all, because I already have a balloon in there. Because it wouldn't work. Oh, now you guys are silent. You guys were talking about SteamOS. Now you're not speaking. Ha ha. Come on, guys, I have 3 minutes. Nobody. Oh, there we go. Oh, it didn't bug. Oh, there it goes. Okay, what bugged actually? Oh, it's from YouTube. That's fine. That is fine. It is another bug. It is okay. Let me check real quick. I think I know why it's bugging. Because the shut up. Because the data from YouTube is more than likely different. Yes. So it's data message. That's it. I see. Data message, not message. Message, not like Twitch. There we go. That should fix it. Now let's see. Oh. Wait. Oh. It added it on top. Oh shit! I forgot to put it in users. Whoops. Oopsie. No, you are not the bug. Actually, the YouTube comment was the bug. Yo, hello. Oops. Oopsie. It's in the wrong spot. Why is my third winds down here? What? Why is it afloat? What? Confusing. Okay, let's remove you, and this is why I chose a JSON for this. Alright, bye-bye. I forgot I gotta put in users. Users? Oops. Let's try that again. Swat the bug! Yay. Still need a team to run it. Yeah, open source. Yes, yes it does indeed. Even Godot, an open source project, takes donations. Lights on. Does indeed need somebody to check and make sure everything is not exploding. Indeed, indeed, indeed. So now you can check both YouTube and Twitch if you want to. Alright. No bug. Let it run. If anybody can comment on YouTube, it'll be helpful. So it doesn't bug. YouTube's not gonna save, but at least, yep, there you go. Why? Da! Chosen a base property type dictionary. What do you mean? What do you mean? Hold on. Okay, user is Nosmo chosen. That's fine. Chop also has a chosen. So why? Huh? Huh? Also nice. It puts everything in order, alphabetical order is what I'm realizing. That's why third wind's down there. Nice but not nice at the same time. I don't want it to be all messed up. It was Drop Workshop, so oh, because it doesn't have a save, that's why. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's just not finished, that's why. But it's saved. Hooray! We did a thing. Woohoo! Yeah, it was because YouTube doesn't have a save. That's why, and I was trying to access something that doesn't exist. So I guess I'd have to like put a check on balloon on this here, make sure it exists. I'm just gonna comment so I don't forget it. Add check to avoid bug. Just write that so I remember later. Woohoo! Yeah, that's the whole point of it. I need you guys to make a break. 1 minute past, yes. Well, I'm happy. I now have more data. And I'll have to add more balloons so I can have you guys do the switching so I can see if it works or not. It's probably gonna be really simple. Probably gonna be simple. Yes. Woohoo! He's spying on us? Who's spying on us? Wait, who? Huh? I'm in with big tech. Why am I in with— oh, because I'm spying on your data. Yeah. Very specific data of balloons. Gathering data. Whoa. Oh no, I'm the bad guy. Love bothering me. All right, let's see. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Followers anonymous. Yeah, I'm gonna sell your balloon info. Sure. Oh man, props. It's not online right now. He does. Wait, was it yesterday? Oh no, did I miss it? It was yesterday. Oops. Oopsie. Anyway, art or browse. Not many people this morning, surprisingly. Hopefully someone not doing AI, please. Please and thank you. I don't scream at my computer like a madman. Ah! I do that sometimes, occasionally. When things don't go my way. Wow, I'm there. Whoa. I see myself. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What about you? What are you doing? Oh, ew. You have pre-roll ads. Gross. Ew. Also, did you guys see the news where Twitch was saying that pre-roll ads would be better for certain streamers? I was like, for who? Nobody likes pre-rolls. No one. Or ads in general. So annoying. Oh good, he's no AI. Good. Okay. Could go to this guy. He's doing some coding. He's not using AI. Perfect. Go here. The timer's not in the background. I know, I keep forgetting. That's just gonna remove the time that I think it took. Like, maybe half an hour. I didn't really fully work on it. Hello, Necro. Yeah, Carson is still on reruns, but I was trying to go for software in-game development. So we're gonna go over here. In the meantime, what I could do is run the balloons, and you guys can, wait, no, hold on, I need to see my rate. I need to see what— oh no, I see it on the other side. Good. Let's— wait, actually, let's do this, and this, and this, and this. There we go. So while we're reading out, there we go. 40, maybe I'll go 30 minutes. I'll be like, Wait, where are the balloons? Why are they not appearing? Hello? No! What's going on? My computer stopped working. StreamerBot? Hello? I think StreamerBot is having trouble. That might be why. Oh well. Might be StreamerBot. Oh well. Anyway, we're writing out. I'll be back tomorrow morning for some Blender. I need to figure out what I want to do with it. Do I continue The Office? I kind of want to do something else. Kind of. I need to get back into the Blender courses and stuff, but obviously I can't do that on stream. Worst dream ever, my balloons don't work. How sad. Why? The StreamerBot broken? It's on. It's not Godot. Cool. Love it. Nice. Okay.